Welcome to Akutra Design Studio. How to choose the right colors and paints for your home. Picking the right paint colors feels simple, but honestly, it's one of the trickiest parts of home design. The right color makes your room feel alive, and the wrong one, well, it can ruin the whole vibe. So let's figure out how to choose colors and finishes that actually work for your home. Number 1, room size and light. Colors depend a lot on your room size and lighting. If your room is small, lighter shades make it look bigger and airy. If your room is large and feels too empty, darker tones can add warmth and coziness. Also check natural light. Sunlit rooms handle darker shades well, but rooms with less light look better with softer, brighter colors. Number 2, warm versus cool colors, mood. Colors affect mood. Warm colors like yellow, orange, and red create energy and liveliness. Perfect for living rooms or dining areas. Cool colors like blue, green, and gray make the space calm and relaxed. Great for bedrooms or study rooms. So always think, what mood do you want in that space? Number 3, paint finishes. Now let's talk about paint finishes. Matte finish looks classy and hides wall imperfections, but it's harder to clean. Satin or eggshell gives a soft shine and is easier to maintain, great for bedrooms and living rooms. Glossy finish is shiny and durable, but it can highlight every little crack on the wall. Best for doors or furniture, not full walls. Number 4, accent walls and hacks. One smart hack: don't paint the whole room dark. Just pick one accent wall and highlight it with a bold color or texture paint. It adds style without spending too much. Number 5, common mistakes. Biggest mistake people make? Picking colors from tiny paper samples. Always test a small patch on your wall and check it in daylight and artificial light. The color always looks different on a big wall. So remember, size plus light plus mood equals your perfect color. Choose finishes based on lifestyle, not just looks. And if you want more design hacks like this, subscribe to Akutra Design Studio.